Looking to upgrade your car with the best accessories of 2025? From must-have phone mounts to powerful dash cams and life-saving jump starters, we've got you covered. In today's video, we're diving into 8 game-changing car gadgets that will boost your driving experience, making it safer, smarter, and more convenient. Stay tuned to discover the perfect car accessories you never knew you needed. Let's get started. Number 1. Car phone holder. If you're tired of your phone slipping, sliding, or falling while driving, then you need to check this out. The car phone holder with military-grade suction and super sturdy base. This 3-in-1 universal mount is built for safety, convenience, and durability. This mount works on your dashboard, windshield, or air vents, making it super versatile. Whether you're a daily commuter, a rideshare driver, or just heading out on a road trip, this holder will keep your phone secure in any position. With a simple one-button release, placing or removing your phone takes just seconds. No fumbling, no hassle, just quick and easy access while you drive. Now, let's talk about suction power. This military-grade suction cup has a 3-layer adhesive gel and a 1-step locking mechanism, meaning it sticks strong even in extreme temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 203 degrees Fahrenheit. And if the suction weakens, just wash and air dry to restore it like new. Need the perfect viewing angle? No problem. The 360-degree ball joint and 270-degree telescopic arm let you adjust your phone exactly where you need it, without blocking your view of the road. Safety first. The vacuum, anti-slip rubber, and solid triangle structure ensure your phone stays put even on sharp turns, sudden stops, or bumpy roads. Plus, it's compatible with all 4.0 to 7.1-inch smartphones, even with thick cases. And the best part? It comes with a 24-month warranty, so you can buy with confidence. Number 2. Apple CarPlay screen for car. If you're looking to upgrade your driving experience, then check this out, the IWEY X7 portable Apple CarPlay screen. This 10-inch touchscreen car stereo comes packed with features like wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, a 4K dashcam, and a 1080p backup camera. Let's dive into what makes this a must-have for your car. First up, seamless wireless integration. With Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you can connect your phone without messy wires. Use Siri or Google Assistant to make calls, send texts, get directions, and control music, all hands-free for a safer, smarter drive. This stunning 10-inch display supports AirPlay and Miracast, so you can mirror your phone's screen and enjoy sharp visuals with a 1600 by 600 resolution and 60 Hz refresh rate, perfect for navigation, streaming, or even checking messages at a glance. And for safety, this car stereo includes a 4K dashcam that records clear, high-resolution footage of the road. Plus, it features seamless Wi-Fi connectivity so you can instantly download and share recordings from your phone. It even comes with a 64 gigabytes memory card. Reversing just got easier with the 1080p backup camera. The camera turns on automatically when you shift into reverse, and the customizable guidelines help you park with precision. No more guesswork. Want crystal clear sound? Connect via Bluetooth, AUX, or FM radio for an immersive high-definition audio experience. Whether it's music or voice navigation, you'll hear everything loud and clear. Number 3. Phone mount for car. If you're tired of looking down at your phone while driving, then you need to check this out, the Funken Rear View Mirror Phone Mount. This new and improved design keeps your phone at eye level for a safer, more comfortable driving experience. Let's dive in. This mount is designed for big rear-view mirrors with an adjustable arm that fits 99% of cars. It securely clamps onto mirrors between 5.9 to 7.7 inches wide, making installation quick and easy. Once installed, just pop in your phone. The 4-claw grip ensures a firm hold, so your phone stays in place, even on bumpy roads or highways. No slipping, no shaking. Need the perfect angle? No problem. The 360-degree rotation and adjustable arm let you switch between horizontal and vertical modes in seconds. Whether you're using navigation, music, or hands-free calling, you'll always have the best view. And the best part? This mount never blocks your line of sight. Unlike bulky dashboard mounts, it keeps your phone at eye level so you can stay focused on the road without distractions. It's also super easy to install and remove. Just clamp it onto your mirror, tighten the knob, and you're good to go. Need to take it off? One quick release button does the trick. Plus, it's universally compatible with most iPhones, Samsung Galaxy devices, and more. So, no matter what phone you have, this mount has you covered. Number 4. Car seat covers. If you're looking to upgrade your car's interior with luxury, comfort, and protection, then these CAR Pass premium leather car seat covers are a must-have. Let's check them out. First up, let's talk about the premium PU leather. These covers are soft, durable, and stylish, featuring a rhombic grain design that adds a luxurious touch to your car's interior. Plus, they come in multiple colors to match your personal style. Comfort is key, and these seat covers are ergonomically designed to provide extra support for long drives. Whether you're commuting daily or heading on a road trip, you'll feel the difference. Worried about slipping? No problem. The anti-slip backing ensures the cover stays firmly in place so there's no shifting around while you drive. And let's not forget effortless cleaning, spills, stains, and dirt. Just wipe it down with a damp cloth, and it looks good as new. Installation is a breeze. It takes just 5 minutes. Insert the chucks, secure the straps, and hook them in place. No special tools needed. Designed for universal fit, these covers work with most sedans, SUVs, and trucks. Just check the measurements before ordering to ensure the perfect fit for your ride. Number 5. Dual dash camera. If you're looking for the ultimate dash cam setup for your car, look no further than the GKU 4K plus 1080p dual dash cam. This compact yet powerful device captures every moment with crystal clear detail, whether you're on the road or parked. Let's check out what makes it a must-have. First off, this dash cam records in true 4K Ultra HD at the front and 1080p at the rear, meaning you'll capture every license plate, road sign, and detail with pinpoint accuracy. And with a 170 degrees wide-angle lens, nothing goes unnoticed. Driving at night? No problem. The f1.8 aperture and WDR enhanced night vision ensure your footage stays clear even in low-light conditions. No more blurry or washed-out recordings. With built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi and the GKU Go app, you can instantly access, download, and share your videos straight from your smartphone. Edit, review, and even post your road trips to social media with ease. The G-Sensor protection automatically locks crucial footage if it detects a collision or sudden impact, ensuring important moments are never lost. Perfect for insurance claims or legal evidence. And with 24-hour parking mode, your car stays protected even when you're not around. Just connect it to the optional hardwire kit, and it will record low FPS footage to capture any suspicious activity. It's also designed to be compact and discreet, so it won't obstruct your view. Plus, installation is a breeze. Just mount it, plug it in, and you're good to go. And the best part? You get a 12-month warranty, which you can extend to 24 months, plus lifetime customer support. Now that's peace of mind. Number 6. Car Jump Starter. Ever had a dead battery leave you stranded? The Asperk's 2000 car Jump Starter is your lifesaver on the road. With powerful 2000 amp peak performance, this compact device can jumpstart gas engines up to 7.0 L and diesel engines up to 5.5 L, all in seconds. Designed to work in extreme temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, this jump starter is perfect for cars, trucks, boats, RVs, motorcycles, and more. No matter the weather, you'll never be left stranded. The 1.4-inch LCD display keeps you informed with real-time battery life and usage status. No more guessing, just instant clarity. Worried about a completely dead battery? No problem. The zero-voltage start feature lets you jump a car even when the battery is below 0V. Just press the boost button and you're back on the road. And if you're ever caught in the dark, the built-in LED flashlight has 3 modes: flashlight, strobe, and SOS, providing up to 48 hours of emergency lighting. Compact, reliable, and packed with 10 advanced safety protections, the Asperk's Car Jump Starter ensures no sparks, no mishaps, just peace of mind. Inside the box, you get the jump starter, smart jump cables, USB Type-C charging cable, and a user manual, plus 2 years of product assurance and 24/7 customer support. Number 7. Portable air compressor. Ever been stuck with a flat tire in the middle of nowhere? The Olahike cordless tire inflator is the ultimate solution for quick and hassle-free inflation. This compact, portable air compressor is designed for cars, bikes, motorcycles, and even sports balls. With dual-mode inflation, you can power it up using its built-in battery or the 12V outlet cord for continuous use. Need speed? This inflator pumps up a standard 195/65 R15 car tire from 29 to 35 psi in just about a minute. Equipped with a high-precision digital pressure sensor and automatic shutoff, it prevents overinflation and ensures safety every time. With 4 preset modes and easy pressure unit switching between PSI bar, KPA, and kg/cm superscript 2, this air pump is perfect for a variety of inflation needs. And for those late-night emergencies, the built-in LED light provides visibility, making tire inflation in the dark a breeze. The cordless, lightweight design makes it perfect for storing in your car, bike rack, or backpack, ideal for travelers, cyclists, and everyday drivers. Inside the box, you get everything you need, including a long inflation cable, DC power cord, Type-C charging cable, and multiple nozzles for all your inflation needs. Number 8. Compressed air duster. Tired of dust buildup on your keyboard, electronics, and car interior? Meet the Zetsafan compressed air duster, your ultimate cleaning solution. This powerful turbofan delivers an impressive 45 meters per second wind speed and 200 G blowing force to effortlessly remove dust and debris, without the need for disposable air cans. Designed for precision cleaning, it comes with 2 nozzles and 6 cleaning brushes, making it perfect for keyboards, laptops, cameras, car seats, and even home cleaning. 3 adjustable airflow settings let you tackle everything, from delicate electronics to stubborn pet hair, and even outdoor tasks like fire preparation. And with 10W fast charging and a long-lasting rechargeable battery, you get over 550 uses per charge, saving you money while being eco-friendly. At just 0.68 pounds, it's ultra-portable and easy to store, making it the perfect cleaning tool for home, office, and travel. And with a 24-month warranty and 24/7 customer support, Zetsafan has you covered long after your purchase. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome car gadget reviews, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Bell Rocket. Check out the links in the description to grab any of these amazing products today. White heavy checkmark. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe and stay awesome.